Hi, I'm Indiana personal injury attorney David Holub. This video discusses what we call no-brainer ways to wreck your auto accident case, or basically any injury case. One of the first ways is to go to a lawyer who will recommend or direct you as a client to a doctor. This is something that is not reasonable or acceptable. Imagine if you're on a jury and you hear that there's a deal between a lawyer and a doctor. Doesn't help a case. So never go to an attorney that would do that. Second, assuming that you make it past this first mistake, you can still destroy your case fairly easy by not being accurate with your doctor as to your history of your injury, or you tell the doctor a history of your health that is contradicted by the evidence in medical records in your case. Assuming you make it past this second mistake, you can also make a mistake that destroys your case by failing to tell your attorney about your past medical history. There is no problem if you've had a past injury. What happens, though, is if you don't tell your attorney, there can become a problem. And your attorney needs to know exactly what is going on in your past history so that they can present an honest and straightforward case for you. Lies are almost always caught out in every case. So these mistakes basically focus in on trying to do the wrong thing, or trying to exaggerate, or trying to hide evidence relative to your claim. It's all inappropriate and should not be done. If you make it past these mistakes, you can still destroy your case by not being accurate about your activity levels. Defense teams often do surveillance of injury victims, and through that surveillance they know what your activity level is, so you can't come into court, or you can't hide from your attorney, or you can't hide from your doctor what your true activity level is, and otherwise suggest to the doctor or lawyer that you just stay in bed all day. Small lies get made into big things at trial, so understand that there are lots of mistakes that can be made. Not just these 5, but you need to have an attorney, and that attorney can guide you through the difficulties associated with making a claim. If this video has been of help, we ask that you call us if you need help with a particular injury case.